How to make money on Amazon. If you are worried that you have missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry, it's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy can make selling products online easy, I am experiencing the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce. In 2020, Amazon raked in 3.86 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. But what can you do to get a piece of Amazon pie? There are tons of great ways to each cash on Amazon. So to help you find what method might work best for you. This article divides into the top ways to make money on Amazon. Let's go. But sell your own private label products on Amazon. This best way to make money on Amazon in 2021 is still through private label sales using Amazon fulfillments by Amazon or FBA network. Around 61% of all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is the process of manufacture a pre-existing item, preferably your branding and logos on it, and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to white labeling or brand creation. This process has been around for years and is common in countless retail stores. Target, Mainstays brand, and Walmart's Great Values are two examples of private label brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to deliver your product typically in 2 days or favor you what you likely known as Amazon Prime. This is how e-commerce business owner like you and me can list goods on Amazon and make money from these sales. Amazon makes private labeling even easier thanks to a number of advantages. First, you can use a tool like Jungle Scout, the all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon, to estimate the sales your product will make once it's on Amazon. Next, it is easy to source and manufacture your product with the help of platforms like Alibaba or Jungle Scout's supplier database. Finally, after you have created your product, you can sell it on Amazon using FBA. You don't even have to ship your own orders. How much money can I make selling private label products on Amazon? Over half, 56 of private label sellers earn 5,000 or more in monthly sales, and nearly two-thirds, 59, have profit margins over 16%. Among private label sellers who have more than a year of selling experience, 31 have earned over 50,000 in lifetime profits. Where can I learn more about selling private label products? If you want to learn about how to make money on Amazon with private label products, Jungle Scout offers a free course to help you get started how to sell on Amazon FBA for beginners. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publish. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) allows you to publish your own books on Amazon, and this is my second favorite way to make money on Amazon. But that's probably because I am a professional writer. Then again, in addition to a digital format, you can print actual copies of your book to Amazon's CreateSpace prints on demand. The only catch with this option is that you usually need to write somewhat prolifically in order to find success, though it is possible to publish one or two wildly popular books. Volume is the true name of the publishing name. The more you write, the more you make. How much money can I make from KDP? I have heard that some authors make as 40,000 per month. These writers, however, tend to be prolific and writer typically to gain notification. Once you write the material, you don't have to write it again, nor do you have to worry about eventually. How can I learn how to make money on Amazon with KDP? While I don't know of any specific course I trusted for teaching this particular method, I do trust Tim Ferriss. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Similar to private label selling, wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to selling using Amazon FBA network. The primary difference, however, is that you are selling other companies' product. Therefore, you don't have to worry about manufacturing and branding the products. Therefore, you don't have to worry about manufacturing and branding the product. For a lot of sellers, it is one of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon. How much money can I make selling wholesale goods on Amazon? While wholesaling on Amazon has become not seriously more difficult in the last few years, it's still a great way to earn money. Note that is a lot more competitive than the private label market. You won't be the only one selling those products on Amazon, so it can sometimes be a race to the bottom on price where the only labor sellers have to compete with each other is through lowering their price relative to their competitors. Deliver good for Amazon. By now, you probably know the Amazon has its own delivery service, but did you know that you can join Amazon delivery fleet as a driver? Yes, you join as a driver and earn money. Become a blogger. Even ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog, publish how-to videos or recipes, or otherwise get your thoughts and ideas published? You can make money from Amazon while doing that. Flipstone bought products with retail arbitrage. If you used to watch the US version of The Office, you might remember the episode where Dowd bought up all the Princess Unicorn dolls around Christmas time. His plan was to sell them for 200 or more to last minute shoppers. Buy on eBay to sell on Amazon. Frankly, I have never been a huge fan of retail arbitrage. It feels like a lot of work of very little return. However, I do enjoy online arbitrage, which is very similar to retail arbitrage. What's different is that online arbitrage means you are buying products to flip on Amazon from other e-commerce stores, and in my opinion, eBay is the best place to find those products.